Okay, I have done videos before on both Switch and ChargeHub. This is using ChargeHub to activate Switch. Okay, here there's a Switch station at the Freshco grocery store at Kingston and White's. That pin is actually at the wrong end of the parking lot. You can see the little dot. That's my car. That little blue dot is my car, and it is in front of the actual charging station. I'll submit an update for them later. Move that pin. Okay, as you can see here, it's $3 an hour, but it's free for the first 120 minutes. So first 2 hours is free. You just click on the start charging button and that will unlock it from the charging station. Then you can pull the handle out of the charging station, put it into the car. So I've already done that. You can see here it says, please allow some time after plugging the car in for the session to start. They're not kidding about that. Don't get upset if it doesn't show that it started already. Just wait a few seconds, have a little bit of patience. Watch the indicator light on your car or the dash on your car to see if the charge has started. A few seconds after you see it on the car, you should see it in the app here. And there we go. So it says it started charging. I go into the Tesla app because I'm driving my Tesla. It shows 5, now 6 kilowatts. It'll ramp up and eventually it got up to 32 amp. So after 28 minutes of shopping, I got 2 3/4 of a kilowatt hour for no cost. Not bad.